how to buy World Liberty Financial Token. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this token is available. Before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, this token is available on the screener. As you can see, this token is keep increasing by 25,000% in the last 24 hours, you can imagine. So this token, the liquidity of that token, it's locked by 98%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token, it's trending number 3 in the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address, it's under the business network. Open your wallet for that. I will use the BitGet wallet. Select the business network. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Click paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon and go back to your wallet. Now scroll down until you find your token that you just added. So this is our token. Click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive. Also that it's easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy WLFI token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.